fade away.
Volt India. Today we are here in the city of Visakhapatnam to launch the third dealership for Moto Volt in Andhra Pradesh. Moto Volt is a concept where we bring multiple international superbiking companies to the city of Visakhapatnam under one roof. Today we are launching here 3 brands. We are launching Moto, we are launching Zontes, and we are launching QJ Motors. These are international superbiking brands that we are bringing to the city of Visakhapatnam. Our bikes range from 125cc all the way to 650cc and have a price point of as low as 1.2 lakhs all the way up to 7 lakhs. So we have a range of almost 20 to 30 motorcycles, so that when customers come, they can choose their favorite motorcycle all under one roof. We have more than 300-400 customers already for Benelli and Kiwe in Visakhapatnam, and we are looking to add more customers with Moto Volt. Yeah, very easily. So we have a product called the SR125, which is available for a price of 1.2 lakhs, which is almost the same price that you pay today for, say, an electric scooter. Even a 150cc motorcycle costs you almost 1.2 lakhs. So we are able to give you an international brand like Kiwe at a very affordable price point of 1.2 lakhs. So the bike is very comfortable, it is very low, so families can also easily use it. 2 to 3 people can sit on the motorcycle. Also it is very peppy and stylish, so it also goes very well for the younger generation and for students. So I think it will suit a very wide range of audience.
We have opened Moto Volt here in the city of Visakhapatnam to cater to our customers' superbike needs. It's a very new concept in India where under one roof you have a choice of multiple high-end brands of motorbikes available. And along with this, we also have the state-of-the-art service facility in Visakhapatnam where you can get all your bikes, superbike service needs taken care of and attended to. In the past few years, we have seen growing enthusiasm in Visakhapatnam and the surrounding areas for high-end bikes, and customers have come forward and formed groups where they ride bikes and they enjoy the outdoors. They enjoy using the features of these bikes. The high-end, the high engine cc capacity bikes are able to be used here. And keeping all this in mind, we are very excited to see where this is going to go forward in the future. And yes, I'm sure customers of Visakhapatnam are going to enjoy these bikes. Thanks. Yeah, these vehicles are now being used by a variety of people because they've already used these regular bikes, and now all of them would like to upgrade to higher engine CC bikes, and they like to have an aspirational value being fulfilled with the use of these bikes.
Visakhvision ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఛానల్ అందిస్తున్న జాతీయ అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయి వార్తా విశేషాలు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.